library science. If I quote Sidney Sheldon, he says that libraries are the energy centers. They open the intellectual windows. The knowledge can flow. Very good evening. We are back again on a series of our discussions on career counseling for the Indian youth. Under these studies, today we are going to discuss on a very important topic that is called library science. Library science is a very important specialized study one can go for. In every college, every school or every institution you have a library. So you must be thinking of what this library is all about and who can be a librarian and all. I tell you, library science is a very important science. In fact, if I quote Sidney Sheldon, he says that libraries are the energy centers. They open the intellectual windows. The knowledge can flow. So a library is an intellectual platform where you can really spend some quality time to acquire knowledge. Thereby, a library is the best place in academic institution where you can acquire knowledge. Most of the students, I don't know anybody who has not gone to a library. Every student aspires to go to a library. Now, how do you go for this library science? How can you be a librarian? And I emphasize on 2 points. Do not think that library science only is restricted to a librarian in a library. If you complete library science, believe or MLeave, if you complete, you can join in an academic institution, you can join in museums, you can join in archives, and most important fact that you can join in digital library. It's no longer that traditionally you can go to a library or hard copies books you borrow and see. That is not the way nowadays. So the e-resources, the e-libraries are the call of the day. So my dear friends, if you really want to sign as an intellectual face of the institution, then be a librarian, be a library scientist. No longer they are called the librarians. Now in the e-resources library, they are called the information managers. So my dear friends, if you wish to go for a library science, after graduation, you have to go for a bachelor in library sciences. That is in any university. Many of the good universities actually they offer it, and most of the open universities actually they offer it. All the open universities under Government of India, Ministry of MHRD, they in fact offer open university offers these courses. Apart from that, if you look at the topmost universities in the private sector, they also offer. So in the government sector and private sector, you have the library science as a course. So believe is the course. In some universities they give it 1 year, in some they give it 2 years. But basically, essentially, it is a very comprehensive course they give you in a year or two, depending on the university's curriculum. So after the believe, you can go for further studies called MLeave, or you can go for a PhD in library science. It is no longer it is restricted to it is called library and information science. So it is no longer just a library, it is a library and information science. So my dear friends, a library science student is the most specialized student, and he has acquired as a cataloger, as a data analyst. He can do a lot of things. In fact, the e-resources, any digital library, he is the key man. You can join in any of the big corporates, IT firms, if you are e-resource is your background. So my dear friends, a librarian is a very, very important person in any institution, be it academic, be it non-academic. So if you are really keen for this kind of a career option, then you can plan out how to go about it, and you choose the best institutions. Either you join through the open university, or you can join in normal universities, or you can join a private university. You can join anywhere. Be a successful librarian, because you are the person upon whom thousands of students depend on you. A library is the intellectual face of any institution. Thank you.